Hello guys, this is Crypto Voice here and welcome to another video. I hope you guys are doing great. So in this video it's basically a tutorial regarding Ledger Nano S. I will be discussing Ledger Nano S in detail in this tutorial. So before getting into the tutorial, I want you guys to go and subscribe to Crypto Voice YouTube channel, and it's totally free. Also see my intro video. It's regarding the giveaway, so you see the video and see all the details how to participate in the giveaway. So guys, what is Ledger Nano S? Ledger Nano S is basically a hardware cryptocurrency wallet. It stores all the major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Stellar, many others, Dogecoin. And it's very secure. It has a private key which is stored inside the hardware. So whenever you connect your Ledger Nano S with any website like Myetherwallet or Etherdelta, the private key is always stored inside the hardware and it cannot be hacked. So it is very secure wallet, and you can store all your cryptocurrency inside Ledger Nano S. So guys, what's in the Ledger Nano S box? So there I have the Ledger Nano S box. So this is the box. This is how you will get it. And in the box you have, when you open the box, you can see there is a wallet, hardware wallet. It's like a USB. So you take it out. Here you can see guys, this is the actual wallet. Then you can open it like this, and here we have two buttons and a screen, and this is the back side of the wallet. So this is the wallet itself. Then when we open this, we have, this is the box case. We open it, and then we have a cable. This cable connects the Ledger Nano S with the laptop or your PC. Then we have this ribbon to connect your Ledger Nano S and hang it on your neck or whatever. Then we have, what's next? Then we have this small booklet. Here you can see Ledger Nano S, it's written, and when you open it, it has three sheets. One is the recovery sheet. This is very important. Shortly I will let you know what's the function of recovery sheet. Then we have a small guide, did you notice, and it will straight away take you to the Ledger Nano S website as shown. And then we have get started guide, this one. So these are the three cards inside this small box. And then what we have next, we have a small keychain connector, and then we have this small chain to connect it with the keychain. So this is the unboxing of Ledger Nano S. So let me show you guys how we can configure this. So let us see. So when you guys, first of all, you need to connect this Ledger Nano S with your laptop. So here I am connecting it. Okay guys, once it is connected, you will see a display like this. So right now it's asking me to enter the pin code, but for the first time, when you will see the screen over here, you will see the numbers, and it will ask you to write the words on the recovery sheet, and there will be 24 words. For example, word number 1 is tree, word number 2 is dog, 3 is cat. So all these words you need to add and write on the recovery sheet. So this is the recovery sheet basically. So you will write the words on the back side of this sheet. So I'm not showing you that because I already configured with my private key. So these words will be your private key. There will be 24 words, and once you have configured those, then a private key will be saved inside this Legend NOS hardware wallet, and it will stored inside the wallet, and that's why it's very secure and it's unhackable. So what will happen when the word will be displayed over here? On one side you will see a cross sign, on other side you will see a tick sign. So after writing the word, you will press the button with the tick sign, and that's how you move on to the next word, and you will keep on doing that till 24 words you have written on the that paper. Okay, then similarly it will ask you to enter the pin code, or first time you need to enter some pin code. So it will confirm first, you will write the pin code, then you will write it again to confirm it, and then you will move on, and after that your wallet will be configured. So here let me put my pin code inside, and let me show you the wallet from inside. So it will be quick. I'm adding my pin code here. Okay, so I have done it. You can see that the pin code that I have entered, it's not confirmed. So in order to, here you can see a tick sign over here. So in order to move next, I need to press these two buttons at the same time. Only then I will be able to enter the wallet. So I did that. Here you can see I have entered inside. There is a Bitcoin. Right now it's showing me the Bitcoin app, then this settings, then I have a Litecoin app, and then I have Ethereum app. So how to download these apps inside the Legend NOS wallet? So let me show you how we do that. So for that you need Google Chrome browser, and you need to connect this wallet with your laptop. So let us see the rest of the tutorial. You go to this app store, then you go to the web store. So first of all you need to install Ledger Manager in this Google Chrome. So you open this Ledger Manager app. So here we have this app, and here you guys can see that first of all you need to check the firmwares, and you need to update any firmware, latest firmware which is available over here. So mine is updated with the latest firmware. Then we can move on to the applications. These are the basically wallets supported by Legend NOS at the moment. So we have Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dash, Dogecoin, Ethereum, and Komodo, Litecoin, Stratus, Zcash, Hello, Ripple, POSW, Arc, Ubic, Expense, Pivx, Stealth Coin, WordCoin, Viacoin, Neo. I think Viacoin is added, it's a new one. And Bitcoin Gold, Stellar, Digibyte, Hcash, Qtum. So any wallet that you want to use, you need to click this button and install that inside your Legend NOS. So I am using Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin at the moment. So those are already installed. So it's a simple click, one click job. So you can do it by yourself. You can add some other, like for example Stratus. So let me add Stratus. So I don't have Stratus at the moment, but now I will have it inside my Legend NOS. So it's installing. You can see it's asking me on my wallet whether I want to install it or not. Allow Ledger Wallet. You can see, let me get closer. Allow Ledger, allow Ledger Manager. So yes, you can click the tick button over here. So now I allowed it. It's processing, and in a short while you can see here we have settings, Stratus. Yes, Stratus is now added. So this is how simply you can add any cryptocurrency wallet inside the ledger hardware wallet. So let us now see guys how we can use the apps with ledger nano s. So let me open my Bitcoin wallet. So now I am inside the wallet, my ledger wallet. I will move on to the Bitcoin app here, and I will click both these two buttons at the same time. So here we have another thing to note here is this, that in order to get connected with the Chrome browser, in the settings, in the browser support, it should be no. So you can select, for example, yes or no. Whatever you select, then press both button at the same time. So in order to connect this, it should be no. So I am selecting the pressing this button. So browser support is no. That's how you can connect with the Google Chrome app. So now it's in the BTC app. So what you need to do is just click the Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash, then it will ask you for the legacy or SegWit. So I will just go with the legacy. So it will synchronize, and there you go. This is my BTC wallet, and from here I can send and receive my Bitcoins. So this is how simple it is to connect the apps with the Ledger Nano S wallet. So first you need to go to the send ether and tokens, then click the ledger wallet, then connect to the ledger wallet. So guys, it will not connect. So for my ether wallet, you need to go inside Ethereum, you double click the app, then you go to the settings here, and then you go to the browser support. Here you need to enable it. So you see, this is the difference. For my ether wallet connection, you need to enable it. So it must be yes for my ether wallet connection. So then I will press these two buttons. Now browser support is enabled. So I will connect this again. So here I have it. So this is how I entered into my Ethereum wallet. So here I can use it has given me 5 different addresses. So I will use this first one, and I will click unlock, and it will unlock my wallet. So this is my Ethereum address, and this is how you connect Ledger Nano S with my Ether wallet. So guys, let us now see how we can connect with Etherdelta. So here we have Etherdelta, and you can see over here select account. From this you can select Ledger Nano S. So it will ask you to connect Ledger Nano S. Mine is already connected. So from this menu you enter the Ethereum app, double click at the same time, and now the browser support and the contract support in this ledger wallet should be enabled. It should be yes. So you just need to refresh your Etherdelta page and it will be connected. So let us see. Yes, here we have the ledger is connected with Etherdelta. So this is it guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope it was a helpful video for you guys, for those of you guys who are using Legend and OS for the first time. And I will continue to make some helpful tutorials for you guys in the future. Okay guys, before finishing today's video, I would like you guys to go and see the CryptoVoice86 Twitter account, and in that account you can see a pinned tweet over there, and in this pinned tweet you can see all the official CryptoVoice86 accounts, and please subscribe and follow all these accounts. Also go and enter the Telegram channel where we can discuss about cryptocurrency, and I will be providing my best advices to you guys in that Telegram channel. And also, I would request you guys to grow this community, crypto voice community, and be a part of it, because I am dedicating my time to you guys, and I hope you like my future videos. In future, I am planning a lot of tutorials and a lot of cryptocurrency reviews, analysis, and technical analysis, as well as ICO reviews. So what to invest and what to not invest, because these days, there are a lot of scam projects going on, so it's very important to look into the ICOs in detail. So I will be doing the ICO videos as well. And that's it for today, guys. Also, one thing I forgot to mention is that there is a giveaway that I announced in my YouTube channel. So go and see the intro video, and all the details for the giveaway are in that video. So go and check the details. And till next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. And I hope you are not scared of this mask. So pardon me for that. So till next time, thank you so much, guys. Have fun, have a great day, and happy trading. Goodbye, guys.